systems are go.
Hey, what is up, peeps? Welcome back to some more Limbo. So, I think we, that shit. Yep, we're supposed to do that. So, Kenny died. Kenny's dead. There's Kenny, his dead corpse. So, it's sorry I haven't been posting lately. It's just I wasn't able to. I couldn't do it. So yeah, that's why I couldn't do it. That was a very vague answer, but I couldn't do it. Is that water? You fucking dumbass. Don't. Yes. What the fuck do I do? Alright. Alright. Hey buddy, I don't think you. No, see. Yo, buddy, you're not supposed to do that. We're humans. We stay on the ground. We're not fishies. I'm sorry to ruin your dream, but it's true, unfortunately. I'd love to be a fish. Fishes are hot. Mother bitch! Alright, I'm guessing I need to grab the corpse and then pull it there, but I'm not sure. Maybe I do. Oh, yep. Come here. Oh, that ass. That ass. I find that really fucking funny. He's just scraping his face against the fucking ground. Fly! You did it! Oh, what the fuck is that? What the fuck? I think that gives me AIDS. It's like... Oh my god, I bet that's AIDS. Ah! My legs! Why the fuck did I die last time, but when it's like... Oh! I'm fucking ketchup now. Boop, boop. Motherfucker! Alright, so we got that part. But I need to stand up too. Yep. Ooh. Oh! My asshole! Oh shit, they're coming back, they're coming back.
Bye, have a great time.
Can I grab this guy? No, I can't. What the fuck is this? Whoa. What the I have no idea what to do, to be honest. I don't know. I'm stuck. Guys, I'm stuck. Alright, I need to do a little thinking. I'll be right back. This shit's hard. Oh, fuck yeah, victory! Oh, damn. That scared the shit out of me. Oh, that was... No, actually, that didn't scare me. I was like... What? No. Wait, what the fuck? No! What the What the fuck? I have a little hat! I have a fucking hat! Oh! That's pretty cool. I didn't know you could have hats in this game. Can I customize them? I don't mind blue. Gotcha, bitch! Ha ha! Run, you motherfucker, run! Or now I'm gonna start doing this to you. Alright, so now what the fuck do I do? What do I do? I'm Confucius. Oh, do I pull the lever now? I think I need to pull the lever. Oh! I need to be strong. Oh shit, what'd I do? What'd I do? What the fuck did I do though? I'm so confused. Oh! Alright, I see. Done. I need to just be here. I can make it, I can make it! Fuck me in the asshole. No! Oh, I actually am supposed to do that. Alright. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, merrily. Whoop whoop! We made it. So I somehow forcibly made it rain. I'm like fucking God, except I'm a child. Oh. Oh, alright. Alright. Do you want to play that way? We'll play that way. Ooh! Oh, I feel like this box is necessary. Oh! 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 Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh! Oi fuck! Oi fuck! Come here! No! Come here! Alright, don't be a dumbass and drown like me. Alright, so I guess we put this right here. Right. Right there. Oh fuck. Oh shit. Oh. Ah, okay, I see. Haul ass. Nice, Thomas. Haul more ass. That, oh, fucking let it go! So close yet so far. Huh! I haven't been this far. Why can't I pull it? Why can't I pull it? Why can't I pull it? I can't pull anything. I can't pull it! Alright, so we're here. There you go. There, that's the right button. Alright, now we just jump. Oh fuck. Oi fuck. Oh. I'm sorry I panicked. Is it good? Am I good? Oh shit, no, I'm not good. Alright, I'm gonna panic a little bit. So, I guess I need to wait for this to get all the way. I fucked it up. Oh no, I didn't! No! I fucked it up. I did fuck it up. I'm gonna drown. The light. It's so close. See you later, cruel world. Alright, let's not fuck it up this time. Yes! Roll the ball gently down the fuck. Rolling, fucking, giving, not a fucking fuck. Oh, alright, I see. I'm supposed to stand on this. Oh fuck, this is scary. The light. So beautiful.